Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Phantom Wallet failed to authenticate. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and drag from that down up, right? If you're using iPhone, of course. And then close the window, reopen Phantom Wallet again, or restart the application all over again. If the problem still persists, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and delete the app or remove the app by clicking remove, and you're gonna double click the red highlighted button to delete Phantom Wallet and re-download it again from your App Store or Google Play. If the problem still persists, what you're gonna do, go ahead to the App Store or Google Play. You probably need to check if Phantom Wallet needs to be updated. So, because sometimes this is a common issue, right? And you might need to update your security in order to help secure your wallet. That should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We will catch you in the next time.